Good morning, class. Today we are going to be doing, so we're going to start by, we're going to use the whiteboard and we're going to be answering questions. Let me take attendance real quick. Looks like we're missing Weston again today. Is he still sick, guys? Yeah, he's still sick. Okay. So we are going to start by answering questions. So I'm going to use this whiteboard that we have right here. So I'm going to write a question on it real quick, and you guys are going to have to answer it. So I'm going to write a couple questions. So, yeah. So we're going to do some adding. Wait, guys. So adding would be on this one side of the board, and subtraction would be on the other side of the board. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna have one of you guys each come over and do a problem on the board. So I'm gonna have 8 problems on the board for so far. So yeah, so first I'm gonna start. We are gonna use papers, and we're gonna do that soon, since you know. So So first up, I need, can we have Lainey up on the board and do 10 plus 10, please? Okay. Miss Isabella. Okay, you can pick out a marker. What color do you want? I'll do red. My favorite color is red, so yeah. 10 plus 10 equals, what does 10 plus 10 equal, Lainey? 10 plus 10, so we have 10, and then we add 10. What does it equal? It equals 20. Yes, it equals 20. Good job, Lainey. Good job. Okay, you can get going back to your seat, and maybe I'll ask your twin sister Layla. Layla, can you come on up and answer your question next? Yes. Okay, Layla. What does 5 plus 5 equal? What color marker do you want? Okay, you got your marker? Yep. Okay. Layla, what does 5 plus 5 equal? That's easy. It equals 10. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Can I have Lily, please, coming up and answer the question? Okay, Lily, what does 10 plus 10 equal? 13. Nice try, Lily. 10 plus 2 does not equal 13, but it's close. Wait, it doesn't? No, 10 plus 2. What does that equal? 12? Yeah, good job. Good job. Can I have Sammy up here, please? Okay. Sammy, what does 5 plus what does 5 plus what does 5 plus 3 equal? I need to put 5 hands up and then add 3 on my other hand. Five plus 3 equals 8. Good job. Good job. Good job, Sammy. Can I have Wyatt over here, please? Okay, Wyatt. What does 10 minus 10 equals? 0? Yeah, 0. Good job. I can't reach up there. Can you do it? Yeah. Oops. I just made a mistake. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Can I have Willow, please? Hey, Willow. What does 5 minus 5 equal? It equals 0. Good job. Okay, go sit down. Okay. Can I have Winter, please? What does 5 minus 2 equal? I mean, not 5 minus 2. 10 minus 2 equal. Six? No. 10 minus 2. 8? Yes, good job. Okay. And for the last question that we have, can I please have Isabella? What does 5 minus 3 equal? 2. Yes, good job. Okay, go sit down. Now for our next thing that we have that we're going to be doing. So, yeah, so, good job. Now let me show you guys. So now we're going to erase the board. Good job with doing math. Really good. Good job, class. Claire, are you okay today? Yeah, fine. You seem very quiet. There we go. So now for our next thing, we are going to be doing the dates. So today is, I'm going to use what color? We're going to have Claire, pick out the color. Purple, okay. So today is Tuesday, the 9th. So let's do the calendar real quick. So today is Tuesday the 9th. And yesterday was, one minute guys. Today is Tuesday the 9th. Yesterday was Monday the 8th. Good job. And then Sunday was what was Sunday, class? Sunday was the 7th. Good job. What was Saturday? The 6th. Good job. Do you guys know what last Friday was? Last Friday must have been the 5th. Good job. Let me write do you guys know what month it is? It's September. Good job. Okay. Do you guys know what last Thursday was? The 4th. Good job. How about last Wednesday? What was last Wednesday? The 3rd. What was last Tuesday? Last Tuesday was the 2nd. And what was last Monday? Monday was the 1st. Okay. And do you guys know what tomorrow is? Tomorrow is the 10th. Good job. Up class, I'm doing the days of the week. So, since you guys did the dates, we are going to be doing a puzzle. We're going to see what animals is which. Okay? Okay. So, I'm gonna give you guys an animal and you guys have to say what it is. So first, we're not gonna do that one. First, we're gonna do the farm animals. Oh, let's get it out. That would be great. So we're gonna do the farm animals. Okay. Okay. So, what animal is this, class? It's a cow! Good job. The cow goes moo. What does a horse say, class? Neigh. What does a pig say, class? Oink, oink. What does a rooster say? Quack-a-doodle-doo! What does a ducky say? Quack, quack! What does a sheep say? Baa! What does a dog say? Woof, woof! Good job, class. So now we are going to so since we did the days of the week, we're going to start with what day is which. So, you know that's the 1st. Nothing happened in the 4th because today is the 9th. So, the 10th. So, nothing really happens in September because, except Labor Day. Labor Day was on the 1st. So, yeah, so that's already done. So now I am going to put little X's over the days that we already did. So, yeah. Okay, so tomorrow is the 10th. and then the 11th, and then the 12th. So, Miss Isabella would not be here on the 12th. The 12th, I will not be here on the 12th or the 14th. I'll be out of town. So now I'm going to put it on there. Substitute. I'm just going to put sub for it'll be easier. And then I will not be here the 17th either. I'll be here the 16th, the 18th, or the 19th. Miss Isabella will be busy those days and can't come in. Then the 20th, I'll be back. The 20th and the 24th is Saturday. I will also not be here the 22nd. Miss Isabella will be back on the 23rd. Okay, class? Then the 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. So, that's Mrs. Isabella's schedule. So, yeah. Yay! Yay! So, yeah. Anyways, class. Next, we are going to be doing. This was in 2023, so we will not be doing that. It's small whiteboard. So now, class, we are going to be doing partners. We are going to be doing some reading. So I want you guys to all pick a partner to do the reading. So yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.